Did you know that a simple video clip just like the one you are watching right now, you can sell for $50 to $100. You don't need a camera, you don't need a drone, and definitely you don't need to leave your house. While everyone is fighting over pennies selling AI images, the real digital gold is hidden in AI stock footage. Big brands, YouTubers, and agencies are starving for high quality video, and they are willing to pay a premium for it. Today, I am going to show you how to use world-class AI tools to generate cinematic footage and put it on global marketplace that's pay you in dollars while you sleep. Take a look at this. A simple 4K clip of a cyberpunk estate or abstract liquid gold is selling for premium price per download on Adobe Stock. This clip is worth thousands of times daily by creators in the US and Europe. Our strategy is simple. We use AI to create what the world is already searching for. We create the asset once, we upload it, and it becomes digital real estate that pays us royalty for years to come. Step 1. Creation. Forget the camera. We are using Runway or Luma UI. This platform turns simple text into hyper-realistic cinematic video. I type in exactly what I want, hit generate, and look at this. The lighting, the physics, the details. Don't just make random video. Focus on high-demand niche. Technology, nature, healthcare, and abstract background. These are the bread and butter on the stock world. You could upload to every site manually, but that takes forever. Instead, we use a secret weapon called BlackBox.global. BlackBox is a curator. You upload your AI video to them once, and they automatically distribute it to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Pond5, and Getty Images. They handle the keyword, the metadata, and the legal stuff. You just sit back and watch the dashboard. Success in stock footage in a number game. If you have 200 high-quality clip online, and it sells just on every 2 months at a $5 profit, you have just $200 monthly. Passive income system, the more you plant, the more you harvest. Remember, the AI revolution is not coming. It is already here. You can either be a spectator or a participant. Start building a portfolio today before the market gets crowded. If you want my top 10 high-demand AI point to get started, comment the word footage. Hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tactics. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.